wish that you had a friend who found the most incredible products at prices that you couldn't beat and called you to tell you about them? Well, I'm your girl. I am so excited to be here for the launch of Tam Fam Deals, and right now we already have incredible products that have been found just for you, Tam Fam, if you head over to tamfamdeals.com. I'm Lauren Maillian, your lifestyle expert, mom, wife, entrepreneur, businesswoman, and someone who's constantly on the go. My life is busy, and I like my space to be clean. I'm kind of obsessed with clean and stylish at the same time, and when you mix in affordable, oh man, that's where I want to be. Today, we've got this really awesome product called My Magic Carpet. I'm here at home in my kitchen, an area that constantly gets dirty whether I like it or not. My daughter loves to cook. She also loves to spill. Accidents happen. My son loves to come home with his friends, fresh from soccer, track dirt in the entryway rug. You know what it's like, all over the living room, here, there, and everywhere, trying to keep your spaces clean and cute. It's not easy. I know. We've got My Magic Carpet for you today. 20 to 50% off just for you, exclusively for Tam Fam. So, My Magic Carpet is utilizing a unique technology that has a non-slip backing so that the rug will stay in place exactly where you put it. It's exactly where it will stay. No more worrying about slipping and falling at home on those rugs. It has a built-in waterproof lining. You can scrunch it up, roll it up, whatever you need to do, whenever you need to do it, and throw it in the wash. Comes back again, clean, just like new, in an affordable way that you can do at home. What does it cost you? A cup of detergent instead of the dry cleaners? You really can't beat it. And today, they're 20 to 50% off, just for you. Pets, cats, dogs, friends coming over, adults make spills too. Whether you just wanna switch up the look, the feel, or whether you really need to actually get the rug clean, My Magic Carpet is the solution that is easy to use, easy to find, and it's a wonderful gift. I've given some to friends, to family, and at this price, you can actually give 2 to someone that you know can really use My Magic Carpet. Head over to tamfamdeals.com now or use your QR code. It'll take you right there, but this is a deal you absolutely don't want to miss. Run and get it before they're gone. tamfamdeals.com.